Hi, my name is Sara and I am the expert manager of the Tigle Data IT Marketplace, and today I'd like to show you something more about our digital system. The marketplace is dedicated to Italian food and beverage excellence, and we sell abroad only quality products from sustainable agricultures and made with Italian raw materials. Our target market abroad is people working in the retail sector, such as restaurants, hotels, shops and small supermarkets who want to buy directly from our Italian producers. We specialize in bringing the right people together to create serious and reliable businesses to promote made in Italy products in Europe. The system we use is not an e-commerce, but a B2B system managed with digital showcases. Inside of our marketplace, you don't buy individual products, but there is a minimum order and everything is managed simply and quickly. Just sign up to participate. Join and follow us on our social media channels for the next details. Bye!